Gears are everywhere. They're in cars, airplanes, and even your kitchen appliances. We need gears for everything. The demand for high-quality gears is always growing. Industries need gears that are strong, precise, and reliable. This is where CNC turning centers come in. They're changing the way we make gears. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. A CNC turning center is a machine tool that makes gears. It uses a computer program to control its movements. The program tells the machine how to cut and shape the metal. This process creates gears with incredible accuracy. CNC turning centers are a game changer for gear manufacturing. They are much faster than traditional methods. This means they can produce more gears in less time. CNC turning centers also reduce waste. They cut the metal very precisely, so there are fewer mistakes. This saves material and money. CNC turning centers are the future of gear manufacturing. They offer many benefits over traditional methods. They are more precise, efficient, and cost-effective. As technology advances, we can expect even more from CNC turning centers. They will continue to revolutionize the way we make gears.